Every year, thousands of people from around the world come to a small town in Wisconsin called Hayward to do one thing, ski. And this isn't just any old skiing. This is elite cross-country ski racing in the largest ski race in North America, the American Birkebeiner. This is the video of how I, a middle schooler, raced against some of the best skiers in the world. Do you even know what cross-country skiing is? Well, there are two different ways of doing it, one being classic skiing, which is just shuffling along on the snow. The other is skate skiing, which is the faster, more popular way to ski. I should also make sure you know that there are three different events inside of the bird. The only difference is the distance, short, medium, and long. And you have to be 18 to do the long one, so I have to do the medium one, which means I'll be racing against some of the fastest skiers under 18 in North America.
We're stuck in traffic. Lots of traffic. It's bad.
This is taking forever.
Much traffic.
So many cars.
Legendary park tour.
Where are we from? Anybody from Wisconsin? Anybody from Minnesota? Any Flatlanders from Illinois? Yep, I'm an old Chicago boy. How about Iowa? Where are we from? Utah! Powder skiing! Solitude bike, my favorite. Maine! Ooh, anybody farther than Maine? Oregon, the Great Northwest, that's good. Our record so far today is Iceland. Can you beat Iceland? And she had a beautiful accent. It's a repeat after me kind of thing. Do you guys think you're up to it? What? Yeah! Here we go. We'll give it a try. Ski. Ski fly. Ski fly. Ski fly flow.
Ski fly flow.
Ski fly flow flum.
Ski fly flow flow.
Ski fly flow flum. This Billy Open Boat be bob and eating down a one-eyed ski. Not bad. The second graders on the bus doing a little better.
Say hi to the vlog.
Perfect.
And then it was time for me to race. I went out on the start area, put on my skis, and I was set.
10:09 and 30 seconds, just over 5 minutes.
There were 5 minutes until my race, and I was, wait, he just said elite. I am not elite in any way. But anyways, we were waiting there for a while, and remember, we have on racing clothes, because when you race, it's hot, so yeah.
Those are cold.
Yeah, same. We were just standing in the cold shivering for a while.
Our elite men and U20 men skate. So just a reminder for our elite waves, we will be counting down to 5.
For the rampart we watched was so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red flare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave for the land of the free and the home of the brave?
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have stopped. The Slumflag Furniture Corduroy presented by Solomon is now on course and headed to downtown Hayward, Wisconsin.
Oh, yeah. I guess so.
And we were off. There was a sea of people ahead of me and 18 miles left to ski through the northern Wisconsin wilderness. Yeah, that's the stretcher behind a snowmobile, so if I don't make it, it's fine. I have that.
Okay, we're off.
Uh-oh, there's broken pieces of someone's pole. I definitely did not almost fall right there. Ooh, that guy's playing the yeah, I don't even know what that is. As you can see here, we're only a few minutes in and there's almost no one in front of me, so yeah. This was a really big hill actually, and the camera doesn't show it good, but that was a big hill. And then this guy just flies past me effortlessly, and as I'm watching this back, I'm actually realizing that if I had good skis and good wax, I'd probably be a lot faster, but no excuses. Past a few people.
It's gonna be a long day.
And about now is where I realized that this was gonna be hard.
My legs are already way too tired.
Because the race seemed to have just started, and I was already huffing and puffing.
My legs feel way too tired. My skis also feel a lot different.
Yeah, I didn't feel fast that day. And then this guy passed me with one pole. What?
My fingers and toes are still so cold.
I'm pretty sure I have poor circulation, so it takes me longer to warm up, but after a while I was sweaty.
There's so many broken poles just lying around. That guy with one pole passed me. So I'm skiing the Cordelope, which is half of the distance of the full Birkie, which my mom is doing. That's 50K, this is 29K. So there's aid stations along the route, like 3 I think. And I can get maple syrup and like bananas and cookies and stuff. I'm looking forward to that. And I'm the youngest age able to do this race, so it's my first time. U18 and the elite class, they start in the same wave, so that's why they all passed me. And so I'll be getting passed by probably the elite girls and classic. It's gonna be weird getting passed later by the classic skiers, because they're normally slower, but they double pull really fast the whole way. I'm not sure how they do that, but it's pretty wild. This is a part of the largest ski race in North America and the second largest in the world, I'm pretty sure, which is kind of wild. There's thousands of people that do this race. So I have a number 1 on my jersey because it's actually the first time that I'm doing the Cordelope. I'm getting kind of hot. My toes are still cold though. My hip is tired.
Yeah, for some reason when I'm skiing, my hips get tired. My hips never get tired other than when I'm skiing.
So skate skiing is all about form. Makes you faster. The easier you can go faster. I'm just singing Berkey Fever in my head. I'm praying that I make it to the end without any severe cramps. Cramps are my biggest issue normally. Been really trying to prevent them though. I'm really just hoping I make it. I'm alone already. Like there's nobody. I won't be like that for long though. So the 2 first place girls just flew by me really fast. Wow. That's 3rd.
And that's the last clip I have of me skiing, so I pretty much have no proof that I even finished this race, but I'll tell you how it went. So, I was basically just skiing along in the woods for a really long time, and I started to feel better a bit, actually. Like, I had a good moment. I started cramping so hard, like, it was bad, but I prayed to God that He would help me finish the race, and He answered my prayers. I did. I started feeling better at the very end, and it was a big struggle. It was hard. It was a tough race, but I made it. I skied across the lake before the finish, went over the Birkey Bridge, skied up Main Street, and finished. And then I got to eat some really good soup in this building. If enough of you comment on this video, I'll make a video for the 2026 Birkey. But I don't know if I'm going to, because I need to be focusing on surviving till the end.